Here's another place to go for stuff. PDESAS.org. I stumbled across this today. You can register for an account. Once you register, you can log in. Once you've logged in, you can take a look at standards, view standards, do it by grade, subject obviously. And one of the things this will give you is, as you're looking through the standards, it's not a lot of stuff. Numbers and operations, algebraic concepts, geometry, measurement data, and probability. One of the things it will do is it will take you to assessments. And you can build assessments in here. I think you can go right to what's called an assessment builder. I don't know why it starts out with Algebra 1 problems, but eventually for 8th grade, I get to 8th grade problems that I believe, I don't know if these are part of the released items or not, and I'm not exactly sure. I can build my own assessment. Yes, build my own assessment. And once again, I can go in here and click and this used to be I used to be able to do this by standard. I don't know if we can do it by standard anymore, but you can play with this. There's some stuff here that might be good. It's just another place to get questions. I know you were talking about trying to get some multiple choice questions. I don't know exactly what this looks like when you're done doing this. So, student version, teacher version, answer key, teacher version, answer key. Now what do I do? It looks like I can export it to Word. And it looks like at this point, I can probably copy and paste into something else. So just another option on the SAS website. If you want to go back and retrace my steps and see what I did, maybe the best place to start is with the assessment builder itself, and then start a new assessment, and then start to choose the grades and subjects and go in that way. Just thought I'd let you know this is here.